Do you want to extract the attachments from OST file individually? Looking for an expert solution to extract OST attachment? If so, download Mac Reliable OST Attachment Extractor software. It is a stellar application for extracting multiple attachments from OST file. You can see that software provides a dual option to extract attachments from OST files, Add File and Add Folder buttons. Here, we select Add File option and check the required OST file to extract the attachment and then tap on Open. Now, mark the checkbox of the required OST file for the attachment extracting process. The software lists all the emails in the preview window. Tap on any email to get the full preview with all information such as email header, content, signature, and many more. Now, go to the Remove button in the software menu option to clear all data. It's time to check the Add Folder option provided by the software. Tap on it and browse the OST mailbox from the system. Please select it and press the Open tab. Please mark the checkbox of the OST mailbox folder in the software panel. Now, the user can check all the emails from the OST mailbox listed in the interface. After this, go to the Extract option and fill in details like the Saving option. Go to the Browse tab and choose a location in your system to get all the OST attachments in a folder. When selected, click on the Open button. Users have three options for OST attachments such as Extract Attachment, Remove Attachment, and Extract and Remove Attachment. Here, we are enabling the Extract Attachment option. Go to mark the checkbox of Filter options. The software provides multiple valuable options for the Extract OST attachment such as From, To, Subject. The software allows to filter OST attachment by size. Next, user can search OST attachment between dates such as start date and end date. Also, user can check the filter attachment with extension that offers document, PDF, XLS option. Users can also fill in other attachment extensions in the user-defined tab, like PNG, BMP. Last is attachment size, in which the user can set the size of extracting attachment as per the need. Click on the Reset tab to reset all the filters option. After checking the required fields, tap on the OK button and extract attachments from OST started successfully. The process of OST attachment extraction is completed correctly, and the user will get a message of completion. Click on the OK button. The software trial edition is capable of extracting few attachments from OST files. Once satisfied, check the Pro edition of software to extract attachments from multiple OST files without any limits. A text log report provides a full conversion details of extracted attachments. After that, software opens the location of the final results automatically. Here's your OST folder containing all the attachments. Please open it and see all the attachments. Thank you for watching the video.